it's not. Now it is.
Hi, this is Amber with Invisible Time Traveling Paparazzi. Now, I know some of you guys have a problem with a drought of imaginings. And whenever I have problems imagining something, I just do something creative like learn a new dance. And here's one for you from my friend Lindsay. Here's Lindsay with the States of Matter dance.
Okay, so if you ever have trouble imagining what the states of matter look like when they're, in the molecular form, here's something to help you out. So of course, we're going to start with solid. Now to do the solid, all you have to do is keep your hands together like this. Amber, you want to zoom in on this?
I'm zooming in. Together like that.
It's pretty easy. Now, when you think of a solid, all you have to think is that the molecules stay stuck together. So if you're dancing, you can just kind of go like this, just don't break your hands apart because you're a solid. And then you begin to increase the temperature and you start to melt. And when you start to melt, the atoms loosen up and they start flowing over each other. And all of a sudden, you're a liquid. You got the close-up on that?
Yeah, you betcha.
Okay, so you're liquid. You're still like staying real close to each other, but you're just, molecules are free-forming all over each other. And then you increase the temperature a little bit more, and the molecules get a little bit more excited, and they start to break apart, and you get a gas. And so now you're just kind of moving your hands apart. They're not touching anymore. They can collide, because the atoms collide. But just moving around, because we've got, got atoms flying around. It's a gas. We're a gas. And then, now, we're going to go into the next stage, which is plasma. And what I like to do for plasma is I just like to pretend like I'm shocking people with my fingertips. So I go like this a lot, because the molecules are really, really excited and they're just freaking out. So you've got to freak out too, okay? And it's caused, again, by temperature increase. So, you got the close-up on that, Amber?
Oh, I forgot to get the... There we go. Totally got the close-up on the plasma. Ah! Okay, I think it's time we see that whole thing together. With some music.
Solid, solid, solid. Oh, I like to say the words as I go along, just so people know that I'm a science nerd. Solid, 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 solid. Uh-oh, it's getting hot in here. I'm not going to take my clothes off. I'm just going to get a little liquidy, because I melted. Oh gosh, it's getting hotter again. So I'm gonna, oh no, I'm a gas because I boiled. Oh, what's happening? It's getting hotter. It's getting hotter. Well, plasma. Okay, so now you know the states of matter dance. So, if any of you are taking science, you're welcome. And I recommend if you're ever taking a test and you have to name the states of matter, if you can't remember it, just go into the dance. Pretty easy. So, I hope you've enjoyed. Amber, would you like to say any parting words? Ta-da!
That is a great dance to break out at parties. That's all I'll say. Thank you.